My name is Edmund Kangoko. I'll be presenting about air pollution and its effects on pulmonary health. Air pollution can be defined as the presence of toxins, chemicals, or compounds, including those of biological origin in the air, at levels that pose a health risk. The purpose of this presentation will be focusing on ambiguous air pollution, chemical in the air, as well as greenhouse gases and how those directly impact pulmonary health worldwide. Ambiguous air pollutants or chemical pollutants can be categorized into particle matter, ozone, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide. Lead. Particles matter was responsible for an estimated 3.5 million deaths in 2015. Is created through the use of gasoline, diesel, oil fuel, compassion farming, and road construction. Ozone is also known as smoke and is responsible for many respiratory problems in some parts of the world where smoke is very thick. Some people, such as babies and those with already existing respiratory problems, are not recommended to leave the house. Carbon monoxide is the common indoor pollutant and is high enough concentration kill people. Carbon monoxide is known as the silent killer as it is tasteless, odorless, and colorless. Greenhouse gases are another common and increasing air pollutant. The effects of these greenhouse gases are fast and become a much more focused area of study. Carbon dioxide will be the focus of this presentation. Increased carbon dioxide causes prolonged heat waves, temperature fluctuation, air pollution, forest fires, droughts, and floods. Extreme weather and fluctuation in weather creates many problems. Prolonged heat waves increases bacteria growth as well as create long pollen seasons, increasing respiratory illness. Forest fires creates smoke, exposed mixture of fine particles, ozone, pressatia, health harming compounds can cause respiratory epithelium, exacerbate chronic respiration illness, and increase asthma. Drought create dust and pollen increase respiratory concerns such as allergies and asthma. Indoor and outdoor pollution, practical pollution, particle pollution, vehicle exhaustion, ground levels ozone associated with persistent structure, airway, and lung tissues damage negatively impacted the development of lungs in children and adults. All of these increases wheezing and viral infections. Allergens and allergic response, new field of study, global warming effects, the large of pollen seasons. Long seasons increase fungal and plant production. Intensify allergic response will impact respiratory problems, X asthma, breathalyne, asthma and thunderstorm. Asthma episodes and are related to certain seasons. Fast pace of a thunderstorm creates high respiratory allergen loading. Dry updraft and train all pollen into high humidity. Pollen fragments are then carried back to ground levels and distributed. This can affect anyone with allergy-related respiratory asthma, seasonal rhinitis. Other common pulmonary health risks of air pollution include COPD. Rise in COPD in non-smokers from 1.1% to 40% in 2015 worldwide from air pollution. Research are often at odds with evidence of the link between non-smokers' COPD and air pollution, lung cancer, environmental and occupational exposure. NO3 and PM exposure correlate to an increase in exposure. Professional drivers of diesel engines have high risk of developing lung cancer. Respiratory infection, still a limited number of students and evidence available. Researchers are increasing their focus in these areas. Please review the attached videos for more information about this presentation and what you can do to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases emitted, further reducing air pollution. Thank you.